fresh low-pressure area has formed over the southeast Bay of Bengal, setting the stage for another extended spell of rain across Odisha. The India Meteorological Department said the system may intensify into a depression over the central bay within 48 hours, triggering widespread rainfall and gusty winds from October 22 to 26. According to IMD's Bhubaneswar Center, light to moderate rain with thunderstorms and wind speeds of 30 to 40 km per hour will lash both coastal and interior districts. Puri, Khurda, Nayagarh, Ganjam, Gajapati, Kadahandi and Rayagada are likely to experience the most impact in the next 2 days. The system's upper air cyclonic circulation currently extends up to 5.8 kilometers above mean sea level, indicating active moisture inflow. While the system will bring persistent showers and overcast skies, IMD has ruled out any immediate cyclone threat. The weather office clarified that the current conditions do not show signs of cyclone formation. However, rainfall intensity is expected to rise around October 24, particularly over southern and coastal Odisha, keeping temperatures moderate and the atmosphere humid through the week.